Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Rajab, the month of Khwaja Moinuddin Chishti Rahmatullah alayh. Hazrat Khwaja Moinuddin Chishti, known as Khwaja Garib Nawaz, was a prominent Sufi saint. He is the greatest reformer in the non-Arab world. He is best known for his teachings on love, tolerance, and the importance of serving humanity. He himself used to state, "Success is not possible without a guide." He traveled extensively throughout the Near East, finally finding a spiritual guide, Hazrat Khwaja Usmani Haruni Radiallahu Ta'ala anhu, and he spent 20 years under his guidance. Hazrat Khwaja Moinuddin Chishti was a Sunni Hanafi of Maturidi creed. One night he dreamed that the Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam is giving him a signal to proceed to India and secure the lives of people there. So he started his journey, passing from Isfahan, Bukhara, Herat and Lahore. Finally he moved to Delhi and later Ajmer. It is interesting here to note that the Raja's mother had predicted the arrival of Khwaja Moinuddin Chishti Radiallahu Ta'ala anhu and had warned her son not to interfere with him lest he will suffer total destruction. Whether Raj Prithviraj forgot his mother's message or ignored it, but he began to harass the Shaykh and trouble his followers. But Khwaja Moinuddin Chishti Rahmatullah alayh, holding firm to the Islamic doctrine that Allah is with those who patiently persevere, steadfastly carried on his peaceful mission. One day, however, he said, the Raja will be captured alive and his kingdom snatched away. This sentenced prophecy was proven true. Months later, the Raja was defeated by Sultan Shahabuddin Ghori, was captured alive and brought into the presence of Sultan, who ordered him executed. The power of Rajput was thus broken for more than 300 years. All India was ignorant of orders of religion and law. All were ignorant of Allah and His Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. None had seen the Kaaba, none had heard the greatness of Allah. Because of his coming, the son of real believers, the helper of religion, Moinuddin, by him, the darkness of unbelief in this land was illumined by the light of Islam. The deservedly titled Khwaja-e-Khwajagan, Khwaja-e-Azam, Warisun Nabi Atai Rasul, the Sultan of India, the Qutb and the spiritual axis of Eastern Islamic world, the fountain from whose spiritual light has sprung all the beautiful mighty saints of non-Arab world, the chieftain and the founder of Chishtiya Silsila, one of the four great orders that radiate throughout the world. Khwaja Garib Nawaz Radiallahu Ta'ala anhu is one of the most respected and universally recognized figures in Islam. He stands tall as a great spiritual leader, a reformer, a purifier of hearts at the most turbulent of times. With his spiritual prowess, he was able to conduct numerous miracles and gain a massive following among the people of India. It is estimated that between 9 to 10 million people accepted Islam directly by his hand and through engaging with him. He is affectionately known as Garib Nawaz, a gift to the poor, due to his numerous feeding schemes and getting others out of debt. He is admired by Hindus, Christians, Sikhs and Muslims alike. Although his life, Khwaja Sahib was transported by love of Allah and the love of Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam by organizing Mahfil Sama and serving food to poor as a mandatory part of Suluk and Chishtiya tradition. Khwaja Sahib's spiritual teachings developed large through the work of Qutbuddin Bakhtiyar Kaki, Hazrat Baba Fariduddin Masood Ganj Shakar, Nizamuddin Auliya, Mehboob-e-Ilahi, Alauddin Sabir Kaliyar, Nasiruddin Chiragh and Khwaja Banda Nawaz Rahmatullah alayh, Islamic spiritual masters with extraordinary devotion to Allah and the Sunnah of Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Khwaja Moinuddin Chishti's influence extends beyond religious boundaries. He is revered by people of various faiths and his teachings have contributed to the syncretic culture of India. Khwaja Moinuddin Chishti Rahmatullah alayh is remembered as a symbol of peace and harmony, and his legacy continues to resonate in the spiritual landscape of India and beyond. Khwaja Sahib said, "The spiritual disciple deserves to be called a dervish only when he lives in the world with no self-interest." It is mentioned in Siyarul Aqtab on 6th of Rajab, Khwaja Sahib has passed away, and on his blessed forehead it was written in the lightning characters, Hadha Habiballah Mata fi Hubbillah, which means he is the beloved of Allah Jalla Jalaluhu and passed away in the love of Allah Jalla Jalaluhu.